The easiest way to explain AI risk is this. AI can be incredibly helpful, but it can also be confidently wrong. Hi, I'm Mike Psenka, CEO of Moovila, where we help MSPs use automation and AI to improve project visibility, risk management, and execution. When talking to a non-technical client, I would avoid starting with model architecture, algorithms, or technical jargon. Instead, frame AI risk around three simple ideas: accuracy, privacy, and control. First, accuracy. AI can generate answers that sound polished but may not be correct, so clients need to know where the human review is still required. Second, privacy. You have to be careful about what data goes into AI tools. Client information, contracts, credentials, financials, or regulated data should not be casually pasted into public systems. Third, control. Businesses need policies around who can use AI, what tools are approved, what data is allowed, and where AI output must be reviewed. The conversation should not be, AI is too risky, don't use it. That's not realistic. The better conversation is, AI creates leverage, but only when it's used inside of a responsible framework. For MSPs, this is a major opportunity. Clients do not just need AI tools, they need guidance, governance, and a practical way to adopt AI safely. That is where MSPs can become a trusted advisor.